guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. I'm fine. Today I've come with a tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how you can change your home screen. This is my phone, so it fell from my hand and the screen got broken, so I took it to them to repair it, and they said it's going to cost me about €100, €90. So I decided to do it myself. So I went to Amazon. I looked at the Amazon to get a touch screen, and the prices there was a little bit high. So I went to another website which is called eBay. At eBay I was able to get it at about €30. So I got one that arrived today, so I will be opening it, and let's open it and see what is inside. Okay, so here we have the different instruments we are going to use, our screwdrivers, everything. I'll open it later. Here is a glue they had to it. This is a glue. So here is the screen. Wow. Here is the screen, touch screen that got broken. So I'm going to change it. So I will be doing this with you guys, taking you guys along. So my intention is to motivate somebody. So out there that you can do it yourself instead of spending money. The first thing, okay, I will be needing also, before I forgot, my hair dryer. I will need the heat of the hair dryer to melt the glue. Okay, now. So these are all the instruments, the tools that come along. So okay, I need to separate the back screen from the glass. So then take this one. I'm look for in the angle side of it where okay, yeah, it's already okay. Just continue. This is the hardest part of it, but once I'm able to come out of here, I know everything will be okay. Like, just going little by little. To remove these parts, these ones now. let's see if it's the battery did not run there. I thought the battery ran there, but I believe the battery is very low. Let me get the charger. Just wait for a few seconds for it to charge. Guys, thank you guys for your love and support, for all my amazing fans, supporter. Guys, continue to support your girl. For my old subscribers, I thank you. God bless you. For the new one, you're welcome in this amazing home. Guys, you guys will see a lot of things. So today I just want to motivate somebody that we can do anything we want. All we need is just the desire and the will, the zeal to do it. So today I show you guys how you can just, at the comfort of your home, how you can change your own, the screen of your phone. And if you go to the internet, to YouTube, you will see a lot of tutorials also to guide you also. So my screen, this is the broken one. So they told me 90 euro, but with just 30 euro I was able to change it myself. So I have my phone back now again. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day. God bless you.